Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Pinterest tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your username on Pinterest. Very much simple and easy. You just need to follow the procedure and you're going to do this in a jiffy. So you can see I'm on my Pinterest wall, so I tap on this to my profile settings and then I tap on view my profile here. Good. So what I need to do here is, you can see my Pinterest username is BronzeTest 2000. That's the name or the name of my email. So now I tap on the edit profile here. Good. So you can see I can edit my name there, and this is my username. So now let me do it 200 rather. So after editing it, you can see it was 2000, but I'm doing it 200. And now what I need to do is I need to save it. So I need to tap on the done here. Good. And you can see my Pinterest username has been updated, profile has been updated, and you can see it has changed from BronzeTest 2000 to 200. So that's it. Now you can change your username on Pinterest. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.